You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase correctly in English. If you want to learn how it's pronounced in French, stay tuned, I've got another video for you. This mountain range in Europe, in France, Switzerland, the Alps. Alps, not Alps, just Alps. British English and American pronunciations are similar. And because it starts with a vowel, with an A, you say the, not the Alps. The Alps. English pronunciation, how to pronounce the Alps. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.